Let's set up the score service. The setup is automated, so we need to configure some parameters for the bash script. I already have the credentials, but I need to give the service a name. I use a short phrase for my name called tsydpro. This is important to have a unique name because this is the route directly to our score servers inside the internet. Now move on to the script automation, which is placed inside the score service directory. Enable the script for the execution and execute the script. Some steps of the script do take time, so be patient. And if you want to examine what happens, you can also take a look inside the log file which will be created during the execution. So we'll take a look in the log file inside the deployment. So here you can see, so there's detailed information containing the output for the console. The next step is the verification of the setup inside IBM Cloud. For this step we will open up with the browser, log on to IBM Cloud and verify in the dashboard in a resource list, do our created services and apps. I have pre-configured a filter for that, blue minus, so it directly indicates the instances, so I only have to refresh the browser, and then can take a look. Does the service exist? Yeah, the application, the database, and yeah, the binding also exists. Now open up the application. And from the application access our front end, the web UI for the score service. I will do this in a separate browser tab, and now we can take a look inside the score UI, score service UI. So for every single request we have to insert our credentials, so the credentials for the service must not be stored inside the web application. So there's pre-filled with some data. You can play around if you do these independent of the Games app.